pasta and rice are rich in carbohydrates, and if the body doesn't burn them, they turn into empty calories. For dinner, salads and vegetables are a better choice. Today's video will discuss 5 foods to avoid at night. 1. Red meats. Red meat is high in protein, no doubt, but it's difficult for the body to digest, causing your stomach to be active for a long time after you go to bed. This might cause trouble sleeping, as well as bloating, gas, or even constipation. If you want to have meat in the evenings, try turkey breast instead. If you cook it on the grill, with a little lemon juice, it's even better for your digestive system. Turkey is also a healthy alternative to fattier meats. 2. Pizza. We know, everybody loves pizza. You might think that having a pizza with lots of vegetables on it will make it healthier, but usually there's a lot of cheese and spices on it as well, which have a big impact on your stomach. Pizza isn't a healthy choice for dinner. It's a much better idea to save those slices for the daytime. 3. Milk. A glass of warm milk is one of those classic things to have before hitting the sack. Because it contains a high amount of tryptophan, it certainly produces a restful feeling. Milk and the lactose it contains aren't easy to digest. There are a lot of people who are lactose intolerant and can't properly synthesize this animal product. Be careful. 4. Lettuce-based salads. What could be healthier than a hearty salad for dinner? Well, be careful, this might not be your best option at night. Check out the following reasons why. Lettuce is delicious and easy to add to salads, but it has a high insoluble fiber content that can cause gas and bloating during the night. 5. Rice and pasta. How about some macaroni for dinner? Some nice warm rice? Sometimes you might come home starving, and a hearty plate of pasta sounds perfect, but it's probably not a good idea. You should always try to choose more complex carbohydrates from vegetables and greens over rice and pasta. Are you taking these foods at night? Let me know in our comment section below.